Hi, today I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of professional catering system, ticket conversion to a computer system. In the beginning it was like this. I wanted to try it myself. It takes an idea and comprehensive solution. Server with mainboard and SSD hard disk.
Sparks fly high in the workshop dim, grinding down the stainless rim. Custom frame, a steel design, built to last, built to shine. The kiosk hangs upon the wall. I answer to the maker's call. It's not just metal, it's not just screws, it's the hardware that I choose. Stainless steel and lines of code, full stack engine on the road. Hardware heavy, software smart. This is engineering art. Switching gears, I take my seat. The screen lights up, feel the heat. PHP and Python flow. MySQL makes the data go. Services done inside the brain. I hold the key. From the kitchen to the cloud, the server humming loud. 100,000 strong. We knew it all along. We knew it all along. System online. System online. Order, receive. Rades, Peron. Invention.
It starts with a whisper in the corporate hall, a logistical nightmare, a hunger call. Blank slate blueprint, I visualize the flow. Rack up the servers, watch the status lights glow. Spinning up databases, solid state drive, bringing the back end architects alive. Define the API, set the secure gate, building the brain before it gets too late. It's a digital feed. design, zero latency, fully synchronized. The canteen system realized. Code in the front end where the users interact. The ordering kiosk, sleek glass impact. Touchscreen response, intuitive and bright. Sending the signals at the speed of light. Instant transmission to the kitchen heat. The KDS flashes the ticket complete. No paper trail chaos, just digital tracks. Chefs on the monitors, no looking back. Out of the console and into the dust, pulling miles of Cat6, a matter of trust. In the skeleton frame of the new building site, mounting terminals under construction, like debugging the network, tightening screws, final configuration, nothing to lose. Lacing the cables, making it clean. The hardest hardware installation you've seen. It's a digital feast for the enterprise beast. From the first data byte to the very last piece, connecting the hunger to the kitchen line. A symphony of code, complex design. Zero latency, fully synchronized. The canteen system realized. System online, the doors open wide. The first order drops, nowhere to hide. It runs, it feeds, it works. Project deploy. It's a digital feast for the